this is where we are, number 31. And the lady said that this is like a really coveted pitch, but this one here, 34, is the one that most people want, which is, if you look over there into the corner, it's that one over there. Would you buy that? But we're on a super pitch this time. We're never on super pitches, are we? It's just that that's what's available. So we're just going to have a little look round at what good standard pitches there are. So this one here on the left, this pitch is number 92. Which is a standard pitch, but that's really good because the ones beside it are all grass, so if you're coming in the winter, like this guy at the moment, he's got all this space around you. It's number 92. I was walking the dogs earlier and I couldn't help smiling all the time because there were bunnies everywhere. I think I counted about 11 on this one area of field, and they were running and playing. It's a very happy sight. So these down here are all standard pitches on the left, numbers 112 to 108, and it's quite nice because again you've got the grass pitches opposite, so you don't have anyone in front of you.
How are you doing, Dave?
It's looking good, eh? Can you see?
Oh, it smells amazing.
Very nice though. Okay, this
nice, isn't it?
That looks lovely, babe. Yeah. Sausage baps with onion.
Oh, let's try it.
There's some interested doggies here as well. Don't worry, we'll save you some.
So we had a lovely night here last night, didn't we, babe? Very relaxing. We came into Shrewsbury yesterday, didn't we, and wandered around for about 2 hours, and I found it quite disappointing actually. But we looked at all the wrong places, took all the footage yesterday, and we've got to redo it all because we've just come on a different bus route, or stayed on the bus a little bit longer, and it's taking you around all of these streets with all these historic buildings, past Shrewsbury Library with statue of Darwin in front of it, you know, just really historical stuff, which is great for the footage. But we just didn't see any yesterday, did we?
No, we missed all the good bits, so we'll go and have a look today.
Yeah. Decided to come to the old post office for a cheap lunch, 2 for $12, because we're out at a more of an expensive place this evening, aren't we?
Yes.
Come on then, babe. Well, I've had the lamb shank with vegetables, and Bex had the
Chicken and mushroom tagliatelle. Looks lovely.
with garlic bread, and they do look amazing. And this is the most reasonable pub we've actually found, isn't it?
Yeah, the most reasonable pub that we could get in with dogs. Yeah.
That's cost
It's
about 20 quid for the 2 meals, plus your drink, so about 26 pounds. We'll definitely be back here again if we come, won't we?
Yeah.
So then,
These are our final thoughts on our stay, our short stay, 3 nights at Oxon Hall Park in Shrewsbury.
yeah, it's a Morris leisure site. It's absolutely beautifully manicured, excellent facilities. It's just, it's top grade. Isn't
We
it?
really
Top
like
drawer.
this one. I think it might be my favourite. I thought Betsy
But we
Coad.
keep saying that, don't we?
We do, but Betsy Coad, I thought that was my favourite. Well, it was till that point, which was also a Morris leisure. There's
Yeah.
a theme here. We really like Morris leisure, don't we?
Mm.
But this one, it's either joint or might have just
Yeah, they've got a few other sites. They've got Ludford, haven't they? They've got Llanberis,
Ludlow. Yeah.
Llanberis,
Um,
Betsy Coad, this one here in Shrewsbury,
Have
and
they got
there's one
Bridgenall?
other. Bridgenall.
Original.
Obviously, we've only tried 2 and we've been very impressed with both, haven't we?
Yeah, we went for this one over the others because there's a park and ride, which meant we could just park up and then the park and ride is amazing. For £2 each return. We've really enjoyed that, haven't we, going into Shrewsbury?
Yeah, and we've really had the weather this last day. We did actually wander around yesterday and we weren't too impressed, but I think we were looking at all the wrong areas.
Yeah,
But
I don't know what happened there.
now that we've got our bearings, we went in today and it was just a different place, wasn't it?
It was. We went down all the streets we should have gone down today with all the architecture. I don't know how we missed it all yesterday.
Yeah, so it's been fabulous. We will definitely be coming back here, won't we?
Yeah, it's really, there's bunnies running around everywhere, which is really nice. It sort of makes you smile, doesn't it? There's something about this site that makes you relax.
Yeah.
We needed to relax a little bit, and there's something very peaceful and relaxing about this. And somehow we got the perfect pitch, didn't we? Because this is the evening sun. What time is it? 10 to 6, and we've still got the
Yeah,
evening
don't tell
sun.
them what pitch it is though. 31.
Yeah, and we
No,
reckon it's perfect.
This is the perfect pitch for us, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
you get all the evening sun here.
But there
It's
is
nice
another.
and quiet. It's a superior size pitch, which we don't normally book, but it's
Never.
the only one that was available for us. And we're kind of glad we did, aren't we?
Well, because of the position and the sun, it's just lovely having the weather. But there is another pitch, a standard pitch. Should we say what number it is? 92, which is also a really good position. So I think we might try and get that one because it is a standard one next time. But it's the same actual position, so facing the sun the same, and it's got grass pitches next to it. So generally they're not full, so you've got lots of space.
Yeah.
What else do we like about this?
So the things we like about Oxon Park, or Oxon Hall Park, is the fact that it's easy location into the centre of Shrewsbury.
Mm-hmm.
Wouldn't be if you're driving or walking, but obviously because you've got the
Park and ride.
park and ride bus facility right outside the park, it's £2 in and you're straight into the centre. It runs till about 6:20 at night, so you can have all day there. Very cheap.
Yeah.
It's just as cheap, well, it's cheaper to do that than it would be to actually park in the centre of Shrewsbury.
It's every 20 minutes, so you can get in and out. You're not tied. You can go in and out whenever you want because it's every 20 minutes.
Aren't we?
At the opening of the site, you've got a co-op, a chip shop, a Chinese. Was there something else? Or was that it? everything you need anyway.
That's what I need to say.
There is a pub in walking distance as well called the Ego Grapevine, something like that. But that is in walking distance, so we're going to try that tonight and see what that's like.
So how would you rate it out of 5 then?
Oh, I'd give it top marks.
Top marks?
Yeah, I would definitely come back here.
So, well recommended.
Yeah.
See you on the next one.
Okay, shall we watch it back?
Let's just do that again.
Good.